This is like fucking war.
Alright, I'm gonna get him with the rocket. Hold on, I'm gonna get him with the rocket.
Oh, wait.
Like a video game.
See if the rocket can beat him. This is so bad. One more.
Go next.
Oh my god!
Car behind us.
That is hilarious.
No, it curved right back in, exploded right in front of us.
That other car must have freaked out.
Oh my god, yeah.
That is great. I've never seen that before. What a great idea.
What?
I've never seen that before. It's a great idea.
We did that in Canada, but on the highway. That was bad.